To remove a formula in Google Sheets, start by selecting the cell that contains the formula you want to delete. Once the cell is selected, you can remove the formula by pressing the delete key on your keyboard. This will delete the formula but keep the value that the formula was returning. Alternatively, you can also remove a formula by going to the formula bar, selecting the formula, and then pressing the delete key. This method is useful if you want to remove the formula from a specific cell without affecting the rest of the spreadsheet. If you want to remove formulas from an entire range of cells, you can select the range, copy it, and then paste it back into the same range using the Paste Values option. To do this, select the range of cells, press Ctrl+C to copy, then right-click on the selection and choose Paste Special, and finally choose Paste Values. It is also possible to remove formulas using the Google Sheets menu. To do this, select the range of cells, go to the Edit menu, and choose Paste Special, then choose Paste Values. This will remove all formulas from the selected range and replace them with their respective values. When removing formulas, it is essential to be cautious, as this action is irreversible and can result in loss of important data. Therefore, it is always a good idea to save a backup of your spreadsheet before making any changes. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily remove formulas from your Google Sheets spreadsheet and make your data more manageable and easier to understand.